Ghana continues to be confronted with the problem of plastic waste, which is causing a huge devastating effect on the environment. It's against this background that a 40-year-old father of 3 from Wa in the Upper West region is trying to turn this canker of plastic waste into petrol, diesel, grease and bitumen. The civil engineering graduate from the Wa Technical University tells correspondent Ibrahim Wangara that he hopes to help solve Ghana's plastic waste menace.
Ghana, through its MMDs, is reported to be spending a substantial amount of its revenue on plastic waste, while petroleum products costs continue to surge amid fears of global economic crisis. With such price hikes of fuel in Ghana and other parts of the world, the maxim that necessity is the mother of inventions has come to play. 40-year-old and a graduate from the Wa Technical University, Sumani Adams, affectionately called First Man, is a plumber by profession, is turning plastic waste into oil, petrol, diesel and grease. His products are sometimes sold to his neighbors at much lesser price, while members of his family also use some at home. A visit to Sumani Adams at his backyard production center showed how he first of all has to recycle the plastic waste and cook it at 400 degrees Celsius heat level in an airtight reactor for close to 6 hours through a process called pyrolysis.
This is what I call the reactor. That's where I feed all the plastic waste. Actually, in the initial state, it's not fuel, it's vapor. The vapor transfers from here to this unit. Then it comes to the condensing chamber. From the condensing chamber, there is a filter in there. This is where now that vapor will be condensed into liquefied substances. Then from here, then it allows it to go down from this pipe. But it comes to another filter for cleaning system. So from the filter, it then comes to my receiving chamber.
32-year-old motor mechanic Mumu Niziberu is among the few people who patronize the locally made fuel.
His petrol is effective, cheaper and lasts longer. I've used it on my motorcycle several times and it speeds and functions normally without troubling my engine.
The young inventor, however, said securing funding to formalize his business, coupled with a decent functional laboratory to run tests on his productions, remained challenging.
So I make an attempt to Ghana Standard Authority and Wa branch here, the regional office. They told me they don't have machines to test the fuel here. They say unless I send it to Accra.
The regional manager of the Ghana Standards Authority, By Ibrahim, stressed the need for all products to meet the accepted standards before consumption.
When we are testing a product, we actually have to ascertain that the product is good for human consumption. So if it is not tested, how will we be able to know that yes, the product is actually safe to be used? We take it to our laboratories to actually look at it, to examine that the product is good to be out there.